Hi, today I have a 2013 BMW X6. I just want to show you the trick. Where is the drive belt or the main belt is stuck and you thought the belt is short. This is the diagram right here. Like you can see how it goes. So usually when you go, you put the belt from the top like we usually do, and then you go around the crank. Then the belt usually stuck on here. That's what usually happen with me when you just push the belt around here and you keep going, go to the top. This what happened with you, and you thought that the belt is short, and actually it's not short. You're gonna have to put it in the right direction. It's gonna be stuck on here, and that's why you thought it's short. I will also show the diagram for you. I couldn't find it online, but I have it on my old data. This is the diagram right here. You can see it's this is the belt tensioner, by the way. It goes, the direction goes this way, so you can put the belt. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.